What's up, guys? So I recently did a poll on my Instagram on what video people want to see more of, and Keto Basics got the most votes, so that is what I'm going to discuss today. Just to let y'all know, this is not going to be an extremely in-depth video. It's Keto Basics. We're just going to do a basic overview of what it is and how it works. When you burn fat, it breaks down into what is called ketones, and your body can use those to burn for fuel. It's a way better fuel source than sugar fuel, which is what most people run on. It's cleaner and creates a lot of other health benefits. Make sure you do the healthy version of keto. You want to aim for the healthy fats, grass-fed meats, pasture-raised eggs, things of that nature. Remember, it's get healthy to lose weight, not lose weight to get healthy. With this, you want to try and incorporate intermittent fasting, which means you'll be eating less frequently. Why? Every time you eat, you raise a hormone called insulin. Insulin is very dangerous in high levels. You're trying to lower the level of excess insulin with keto and intermittent fasting. A large amount of the population has high insulin levels and they don't even realize it. Now, none of this is about eating less calories. At the end of the day, we still want to get all our nutrients through our food, and if necessary, through supplementation. Now, the cool thing is when you eat less frequently, your body doesn't actually require as many nutrients. This is because when you start incorporating intermittent fasting with a healthy keto plan, your body begins to hold on to more nutrients. It's an adaptive mechanism. At 3 meals a day, you're going to need more nutrients than someone that is at 2 meals a day. And also remember, with intermittent fasting, there's no snacking between the meals. If you're not satisfied between the meals and you're having a hard time going from one to the next, just add more fat with your meal. Some people are worried about losing muscle when they do this though. But the thing is, certain hormones, like growth hormone, increase when you're fasting. This hormone and others are going to help prevent your muscles from breaking down. So the main things that will help lower insulin are reducing your carbs. We're talking about sugar, refined carbs, grains, pastas, biscuits, waffles, juice, things of that nature. And eating less frequently with intermittent fasting. You will adapt over time to run your body on fat rather than sugar, your own fat. When you eat too many carbohydrates, the insulin comes in and turns that into fat. In the presence of too much insulin, you cannot burn fat. Here's some indicators of high insulin: belly fat, high blood pressure, fatigue, especially after you eat, decreased cognitive function, moody, craving carbs all the time, and hungry constantly. Every few hours you feel like you need to eat something. When you get your body into fat burning and it's burning fat in between meals, you get rid of the hunger, the cravings, the fatigue, feeling like you need to take a nap every time you eat. That's why keto and intermittent fasting are so powerful and successful long term. It's easy to stick to once you get adapted. A general breakdown of the ratio that you usually see with this, as far as eating and the fat to protein ratio goes, you're looking at somewhere between 65 to 70% fat and 20 to 25% protein, and then 5% carbs. But make sure that the carbs you do eat are low glycemic carbs. You don't want things that are going to spike your blood sugar like I talked about earlier, because with the blood sugar spike comes the high insulin right back. And just remember that keto and intermittent fasting are not just for losing weight. These are also for getting you super healthy, reducing things like inflammation. You're going to have better cognitive function, better mood, memory, just making the body overall work better. It's like what I said earlier. It's get healthy to lose weight, not lose weight to get healthy. So that's the basics. I hope y'all were able to understand this well. And like I said, this wasn't going to be extremely in-depth, just a basic overview. If you have a friend or family member that is thinking about starting keto or wants to or needs to see this, please share this video with them. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Until next time, guys.